in there to buckle you in, okay?
Imagine driving your car, minding your own business. You are pregnant. Suddenly, a very angry stranger jumps onto your van, rips the door open, and starts punching you in the face. Sounds terrifying, right? This is exactly what happened in Orlando, Florida. A 37-year-old woman named Mandolin lost her temper over a simple driving dispute. She didn't just yell from her window. She got out of her car, attacked a 35-year-old pregnant driver, and even punched a 68-year-old woman who stepped in to help. Now, you might think this is just a normal street fight, but the law sees it very differently. In Florida, if you open someone else's car door to attack them, it is a very serious crime called burglary of a conveyance. Because a car is considered a protected space, reaching inside to hit someone turns a basic fight into a first-degree felony. The punishment for this can be up to life in prison. When the police arrive, they need to secure the area. To do this safely, they use a rule called a Terry stop. This means an officer can temporarily handcuff a suspect while they investigate who started the crime. The officer clearly tells Mandolin she is being detained.
You're going to be detained until I determine otherwise. You understand?
No.
Don't resist me.
Tell me why. Tell me why. First of all, tell me why.
Don't resist. You're being held for battery. Okay. Do not hold. Do not resist.
I am. No.
But instead of cooperating, she decides to fight back. Watch what she does.
Don't bite me.
Get the off of me.
Turn around.
She actually bit the police officer to avoid handcuffs. Because of that bite, she added aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence to her long list of charges.
Yeah.
You would think attacking a pregnant woman, an elderly lady, and a cop would keep you in jail for a long time. But surprisingly, she was allowed to walk free just hours later after paying a $20,000 bond. Do you think the system failed here? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more.